Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is Tuesday, March 31st, the last day and the longest month in the recorded history, 2020. Today we're going to be looking at how the Ming Dynasty gained, consolidated, and maintained power. And we've talked about this topic several times. We talked about it last week, actually, with the Ottomans. And I just want to let you know that at the end of this video, there will be a special message from a special person. So make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our map here, and we're going to make a prediction. How do you think the Ming Dynasty was able to gain, maintain, and consolidate control of large territories across Asia? So here's where you're going to go back to all the other empires that we've discussed and talked about, and what are some of the ways that those other empires gained, consolidated, and maintained power previous to the Ming Dynasty. So you're just going to call on some of your historical knowledge, and you're going to look at the key, okay? And based on the key, that should help give you a few clues as to how the Ming Dynasty gained, consolidated, maintained power. So you can use your own knowledge, and you can also gather some information from the key on the map and use that to answer the right now question. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the next page, which shows us how to annotate. Now, we've done this before in class. We've done it at our desks. We've also done it as a as an assignment where we move around the class to various stations. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the next set of documents. There are a few documents, and for each one, we're going to put a G next to how they gain power, a C when we see evidence that they consolidate power, and an M when we see evidence that they have maintained power. So as we go, what we're going to do is we're also going to, we're not just going to write G, C, or M for gain, consolidate, maintain, but we're also going to explain in the margins why it's evidence of a gaining, a consolidating, and a maintaining power. Okay. So here we go. So we have the Great Wall. There's a video that's embedded here. The video is also on the PowerPoint. So if you want to look at the PowerPoint, the video is there for you. What makes the Great Wall of China so extraordinary? I believe I also linked this video into the lesson. So if you want to go check out the link on the Teams lesson, you can do that. So you're going to read about the Great Wall, right? And how is the Great Wall an example of either gaining, consolidating, or maintaining power? All right. Then you have the Jinwei. Jinwei is explained right here. All right, then you have the Ming Code, document 3. So again, with each one of these documents, you are going to put a G, a C, or an M for gain, consolidate, or maintain, and then in the margins, you're going to tell me why it's evidence of gaining, consolidating, and maintaining power. All right, finally, once you've looked at these 3 documents, you're going to come to the final page, the exit slip. And the event is the Ming Dynasty gaining, consolidating, and maintaining power. So for this exit slip, I just am asking you to do the graphic organizer. You do not have to do, the full big, historical circumstances. However, I do want you to take the what, which is the event, the who, when, where, why, and how, and then combine it into one sentence right here where it says combine context expansion sentence. Okay, so that's your lesson for today, day 2 of the Ming Dynasty packet. Please make sure that you're doing your work and you're staying on top of everything. And then now I have a special message from you.
Hi! Hope you're doing your work like you're supposed to be doing.